Cleaning the trail for 3 today, they get the trail ready. Yeah man, 3 today man, 1st of March man, Flagstaff, community man, we are keep one thing man. Is it?
Of the foundation of the whole hospital. Yes. And if you notice, it's go all the way around the front.
This is the structure remaining. All house, all the way house. Yeah.
So, this is the same way we're coming back down?
Yeah, man. Gunhill. On the Gunhill Trail. Yeah, big up, sis. Yeah, man. Blessings, man. Yeah, man. Experience the ancestor them walk, you know? Gunhill.
Next time we have to come back and meet you.
And go at 3, yeah.
Get some blessed. Yeah, me I'll tell you. Clean up of that.
Yeah, man.
No more.
Set to the world now.
Activate. Anyway, the source there, we are going to find it. Yeah. Because the truth must be real on behalf of our ancestors. This ain't no joke. It's time for the table turn forward. Our ancestors, them welcome, we are welcome them.
Trelawny Town.
This is it. Trelawny Town Maroon. One Maroon. Trelawny Town.
Different. And this is a design on the floor in the water. Water running. See? Different design, different channel, different channels, as you can see. Yeah, this is Petty River. This is where our ancestors was. As you can see the design, no?
Is kinder, not a mango tree that Captain Cook bring to Jamaica.
Yeah.
Hotel, Royal Town Hotel. The housing scheme in Trelawny. The ship would have been right here where this next white, that's where the sea coast is. Yeah. Oh, to your out, yeah. Oh.